How to handle FDA Form 483. Upon completion of the FDA inspector's manufacturing site inspection, the manufacturing site authority should discuss all findings with the FDA inspector and make every effort to resolve negative observations before the inspector leaves the site. If errors and miscommunications occur, it is best to consult with inspectors. Try to understand the positive or negative mood of the regulatory body. Their mood can be negative, for various reasons, or for no reason at all. Without any hesitation, ask any questions to inspector, regarding confusion found during observations. If you think you can convince the inspector, try to convince the inspectors, regarding observation found during inspection, with the help of related information. Your convincing power may help to delete some observations from FDA 483. The purpose of an FDA form is to notify the company's senior management regarding objectionable conditions. The FDA Form 483 is presented and discussed with the company's senior management after completion of inspection. Senior management of the companies are encouraged to respond to the FDA Form 483 with corrective action plan within due date. It is mandatory to respond the FDA Form 483 within the 15 days, otherwise regulatory agency will not consider your response regarding the final observation of your company. FDA Form 483 is not the final decision maker. It just considers along with written report, known as Establishment Inspection Report, all evidence or documentation which collect from manufacturing site, response made by company. Agency considers all of the information, and then they made the final decision for the further action. You may avoid the issuance of a warning letter, if you respond FDA Form 483 within due time, with appropriate justification. Hope you already know that. How to handle FDA Form 483. To know more, check pinned comment section.